Welcome back. If you're aiming for flawless metal fabrication, precision bends are non-negotiable. Here at ADH, we don't just understand that precision, we build it into every machine. We engineer and manufacture top-tier press brakes designed for performance and durability. Today, we're diving deeper into press brakes, the core principles, crucial tooling strategies, efficient operation, and essential safety. Let's get started. A press brake bends metal using a punch and die, but the real magic is in your tooling choice. Consider tool material and hardness. Hardened steel is a workhorse. Critically, match it to your workpiece material and thickness. Thicker, stronger materials demand robust tooling. V-dies are your go-to for air bending, the most common method. But specialty tools like gooseneck punches or acute angle tooling tackle those complex shapes and sharp bends. And always ensure tooling is compatible with your machine's capacity and clamping system, a detail we at ADH meticulously engineer into all our press brakes. Ready to make some bends? First, thorough pre-operation checks. Is your machine ready? Tooling pristine and correctly selected, carefully install and align your punch and die. Program your back gauge accurately. Modern CNCs, like those on many ADH machines, make this incredibly precise. Then position your workpiece securely, initiate the bend smoothly, and monitor the process. Afterwards, inspect every bend. Is the angle perfect? Small, immediate adjustments prevent larger issues. And let's talk safety and care, absolutely crucial. Know your emergency stops and ensure all machine guards are functional. A clean workspace is a safe workspace. Visit our website to explore our full product line. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more expert content, and share it with your colleagues. Thanks for watching.